You gonna bring your food? What do you got there?
Sausage.
What else?
More sausage.
More sausage. Discussion.
I ate.
Oh, water in the ears.
Water in the ears. Okay. It's chillier than I was expecting.
Welcome back to our vlog. 2 years later, we were doing the same thing, back to a fashion show.
Mommy, back to show.
Fashion show, that's right, we're going to fashion show. So we are cruising. We're going to do some potty stops today.
Potty training.
Potty training. We're going to drink some coffee. I don't know what else we're going to do. Should be fun. Ready to go?
Yes.
We all had a wonderful sleep last night.
Oh,
It
full
was
moon or
so
something.
nice. Up every hour.
Every hour, for sure.
On the dot. What do you have? You got hash brown? Yummy.
I need to take her up.
Potty.
Did you go potty?
Tea.
You in your pants though. Oops. Oopsie.
I want you.
You like the camera, eh?
I want you.
Okay. Okay, 1 second.
Oh, do you got the camera?
Tissue.
Are you recording?
Tea.
Cheese. See everybody?
Everybody. 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 Tea.
Yeah, we're gonna come get you. Promise. We're just getting all of the stuff. Yeah, we're getting everything, sweetie.
You follow mom and daddy, okay?
Oh, Mom and Daddy. Cheese. Mom, cheese. Dad, cheese.
Daddy, cheese.
Okay.
Hey,
Whoa, whoa, Dad.
can you get daddy in the camera? Whoops. Oh, stop. Can you... Yeah. There you go. Hold it up. Good job.
Hold it.
Will daddy hold it?
Feel happy. I feel happy.
It's too heavy. You gonna go to the door? You like the hotel room, Allie?
What do you think?
I
Right.
You don't even know what you're thinking. You found a pen, eh? Of course.
Down. Apple down. I'm my bed.
What's wrong?
I'm my bed. I'm my bed. Come here. I'm my bed.
Your bed? Oh my gosh, that's exciting.
Anymore.
No need that down more. I mean it. I just swimming pool.
Did you go in the swimming pool?
Bye, baby pool.
By a swimming pool. Was that the last time?
Pond.
It was
fun,
fun. Did you go in the big pool?
Towel.
Towel.
Yep, big pool. We went jumping in the pool, right?
Big pool.
You got your hair wet.
Hair? Oh, you got your hair wet.
There's a discussion.
I aired.
Oh,
Water in the ears.
water in the ears. Okay. But you had fun. Did you go in the hot tub?
Yeah.
Bubble.
Blub, 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 blub. What sounds did daddy make?
Bubble.
What about the laughing? Remember when daddy was laughing?
Bucket.
Right?
Oh. Oh, mommy. How? You're all shy.
watch for cars. Yep. You hold Daddy's hand?
There we go. Isn't that fun?
What?
You love this store, hey?
No shopping.
You're shopping. Are we gonna pick you out a bed frame?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Let's go look at the room.
Yeah, let's go look at all the stuff.
Yeah. It's like little houses you go to.
Yeah, look at all these cool houses. Pretty, eh?
Yeah. So hard to do.
Maybe let's just not.
Mommy cheese.
Hi.
Mama.
Okay, let's go, sweetie. Let's go next one. Yes, you got it.
Oh. Allie, you ready to go? One more thing. I know. You want to open your thing. You're being so patient. We got her.
Allie, what did you get at IKEA? Did you get a new grocery basket? Seemed like a relatively successful IKEA trip.
Yeah.
We got 2 for the price of 1. So she'll have twice the dresser space, which means probably more clothes to buy.
He didn't think that one through. It was his idea. It was half off, so he's like, well, let's get 2.
Might be for sale if anybody wants a really good deal on it.
No.
Okay, mall time. You wanna go to the mall?
Food.
You gotta bring your food? Can you show everybody the food? What do you got there? Is that cheese? What else is in there? Oh, is that a sausage?
Sausage.
Okay, I don't really know what that is. What else?
More sausage.
More sausage. Lots of sausage.
Is it sausage?
I don't know what else you call it. Oh, fish.
Pig.
Yummy fish. Blip, 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 blip.
Nummy fish.
Nummy fish.
Yeah.
We'll leave it back there for a while. Bye, IKEA.
You're gonna ride that one? All by yourself? Or do you think Daddy's gonna take you?
shopping?
Yeah, shopping time. Okay.
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 My bed.
Where should we go first?
I jump now. I'm gonna put it on 12
What size is that one?
feet.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
I don't think you have a small one, anything. Allie, if you come out, will you stay by us?
Yes.
Yes. Can you crawl out? Crawl out. But you can't be running around.
I fell out.
Good job.
Daddy, I fell out.
You crawled out. You're so smart. It's crazy. Chicken.
I'm Sunny.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Sunny.
That's perfect because it's not.
Sunny.
It fits you, but it's not.
Sunny. Mommy, right there.
Oh. Oh. You're gonna hold his hand?
Yeah, that's
No,
so
I'm
weird.
not gonna do that.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to go back hotel.
I got the
Went in the escalator. One last time, say bye-bye, escalator.
I will remember you.
Okay, off we go.
Oh yeah, we could find another bag probably for that, eh?
She is done.
Only just you. No, me, just you. Mine, Peter. Round.
I hope
Baby.
Dad's coming soon here.
Dad, Mommy, G,
Mommy cheese.
Mommy,
Allie.
where are you? Come on. G. Mommy, sorry, round.
You want me to turn around?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hard on Mommy to turn around.
Mommy, sorry,
You want
round.
me to turn around? You want me to be on the vlog? Oh boy. Oh, hi.
Mommy, G.
Uh-oh, you are recording. How are you
I
recording?
pressed the button.
You pressed the button.
Fed up.
You're recording, eh? I'm already tired and we still got 5 hours of driving.
You have a little McDonald's? Get a cookie? Allie? Not talking, eh?
Tired and she's hungry.
Kind of like all of us right now, right? Back attack. Make life a little better. Photo shoot went good. Lady really knows what she's doing. And then we got
Highly
gas.
recommended, right?
Highly recommended. Came and now I will recommend Crystal as well. So, it's a good job. It's raining in Edmonton and we're headed home. And we are ready to go home today. So it's been a fun trip, but away we go. Nothing like being on the side of the road. Potty time. Lovely day in the rain. You got your pillow? So that's our vlog. Hopefully there's some value in watching us go to another fashion show. And
2 years
I can
later.
go. 2 years later. We're the one growing up. Going to hotels. Going to do fun things. Driving home. Lots of potty breaks. Pretty good time. But we are home now and we are all tired. So Take care. Have a good day.
Happy, happy.